Okay, you guys, so today we're unboxing this selfie stick slash mounting device slash tripod slash movie watching device slash video chatting helper. So we're just going to unbox this and show you guys what we got here. First off, it comes in this really nice bag here. It has the whole drawstring right there, or the strap right there you can put over your shoulder that you can carry it with. Really nice bag. I guess it'll keep things from getting wet, as well as, you know, you can move that little ball down there at the bottom to the top to kind of like draw it all the way closed to make sure nothing falls out of the bag while you're transporting this selfie stick, because it does have a shutter clicker, so you can Bluetooth it to your device to take pictures with. And then also it has an attachment that I'll show you guys too for attaching your phone or tablet to the device. So right there on the left side, there's that attachment that I was speaking of and talking about. Okay, here's that attachment that we were talking about before. So you can just screw it on depending on how you want to film with your phone or your tablet. You can use it to film either vertically or horizontally, and then it has that screw right there. You can just screw it to fit your device and open it up, or to close it up. Then right here on the front is the Bluetooth remote if you want to use that for taking photos or pictures. It pushes right into that little pouch area right there, and you can just pull it out. It may take a little bit of work to pull it out there. This is actually battery operated. It comes with a battery already on the inside. You just have to pull out the little piece of plastic for it to start working, but just easily press down and it opens up and you can easily replace the battery. Okay, so let's start looking at what it looks like when this thing starts extending, starts growing here. So these legs are very sturdy. Yeah, they're very sturdy. And then what I like about this selfie stick tripod is that right there, let me get to it, you guys, as I adjust the legs right there, that wheel right there, you can use it to tighten up and you can use it to lock the legs in place. So that's very good right there, because once you get the legs at the length that you want, you can actually twist it and then lock it in place. You'll have the legs will be locked in place, and then you'll be ready to extend the rest of the selfie stick tripod. Or if you wanted it to stay at that length, you'd already be ready to film. So let's see again, because now we want to extend this. So it does have the 3 latches right there that lock and unlock, and as you unlock each one, it gives you more height and more length. So I'm trying to film and hold the camera while extending it, so you know, we might have a few hiccups here along the way. But depending on which mount you're using, you can get up to either 51 inches of height or 52 inches of height. And once you lock each one of those latches right there, then it will be locked in place to give you that extra height that you need for filming. And as you guys can see, I'm outside in my backyard, and even extending this, I have it on top of my fire pit. It's sturdy, like I said, with the legs being locked in place. It doesn't feel like it's gonna tip over. The whole selfie stick is straight. It's no bend in it, so it is a very high quality and very durable filming device. Then if you're someone that has to use videos where sometimes you need to show like your tabletop, or show you doing something and have the camera facing down, or showing your hands, you can see it does have that lever right there on the side that you can unscrew or screw to be able to allow the top of the mount to either bend forward or bend backwards, and again that locks into place perfectly. Here we are with my cell phone placed into the mount. Now this is an old cell phone, it doesn't even have a case, but again, because you are able to screw it down and manually tighten it with your hands, you can really get a good grip on devices right there. And even with me not having a case on there, and you know how slippery cell phones are, it does have that rubber material on the inside to give it a good grip. And then if you just, tighten it with your, put a little strength on there, that device is going to be secure. So just imagine if you use a phone, it's in an outer box, if it's going to keep this phone without an outer box so secure. So watch it as I tip it over, lean it forward. I'm just using one hand here. If I would have been using both hands, I would have been able to tighten the lever. It wouldn't have fell over like that. But once you tighten it up, you're pretty much ready to go and ready to start filming, and it will stay in place. So this tripod selfie stick can, allow you to get all different types of filming done. Again, with that ability to be able to slant the mount diagonally, to be able to face down, as well as you can tell right there too, if I was using it as an actual selfie stick in my hand carrying it, just by that being able to bend, I'd be able to get a good angle of me and the people or the background that I was trying to film. Now right there, that wheel or that dial right there, that's just so you can tighten up the mount that you're connecting to it. So if you are attaching like a GoPro or a different type of mount, you just are able to screw that wheel manually tight. Now there it is if I wanted to film vertically. Again, it still is locked in there in place. This is the same cell phone. It's not in a outer box or anything, so if it was in my hands, it'd be very slippery. And depending on the device I was trying to mount it to, it could still be slippery, but this has really good grip. So again, I can be on my way filming if I wanted to walk around with this as a selfie stick, or if I just had it using it as a tripod set in place. Now here it is as a selfie stick. It is very bulky, and because how the legs are made, I really wouldn't recommend using it as a selfie stick, just because of the grip and gripping. I wouldn't want to carry this around all day. But if it was like a last minute, and I just had to use this to get some good shots and good angles, it can be used as a selfie stick on the go. And then you do have that option to set it up so you can start filming yourself as a tripod. So again, this is very durable. Check the description down below. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'll leave a link down below. This is going to be my on-the-go tripod selfie stick filming device that I'll be using. And there you go. I even have right now my GoPro attached to it, and I don't even know why I got it on top of the fire pit using it, because again, we get all that extension over 51 inches or 52 inches once you extend everything. Okay, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. See, let me hit those angles. I'm about to be out here, y'all. Hit the like button, comment, share. Peace.